Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you an incredible opportunity to make money online without selling anything, having any prior experience, or even using affiliate marketing. We're gonna use ChatGPT, and in only 3 steps, you're gonna kickstart your career to financial freedom. So let's get started. First off, we're gonna go to Google and type Google News and click the first link that you see. This is where we'll find a wealth of information waiting to be transformed into captivating articles. Once you've opened Google News, it's time to pick a category, whether it's business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, or health. So for example, let's pick the health category. Within this category, narrow it down further by picking a subcategory. Let me pick fitness for instance. This will help you find more specific and exciting articles. Now comes the fun part. Choose an interesting article that catches your eye. For instance, I'm gonna choose this one right here. To reconstruct the article while retaining all the essential information and ensuring it sounds natural, we're going to use the power of ChatGPT. This incredible AI tool will help us craft engaging and high quality content effortlessly. I will leave this prompt in the description so you can use it to generate your articles. Once we have reconstructed our article, we want to ensure it passes all AI detectors and reads flawlessly. That's why we'll run it through spinbot.com, a tool that will give it that extra polish and make it truly exceptional. Once you're done here, copy your article and paste it somewhere safe. Now here's where the money-making magic happens. We're going to head over to eatingwell.com, a website that pays an incredible $1 per word for your submissions. So picture this, if you submit a 700-word article, you can easily make $700. But hold on, because I have something even better to share with you. I've found another website that pays $2 per word. That's right guys, double the rate. So for that same 700-word article, you'll make a whooping $1,400. Interested? I bet you are. I'll reveal the website and show you how to get started in just a minute. But before we jump into that, we'll need to reach out to the editors at eatingwell.com. To make it easy for you, I've created a professional email template that you can find in the description below. Use it as a guide to introduce yourself and submit your outstanding article. Once you've submitted your email, within a few days, the editors will be impressed with your work and will request your payment details. Now this is where you provide them with your preferred payment method, whether it's PayPal, bank transfer, or any other option that works best for you. Now let's talk about that incredible website I mentioned earlier. Popular Science is a popular platform that values your work and pays an astounding $1.12 per word. That means if you submit a 700-word article, you can easily make $784. Talk about maximizing your earnings.
Let's build more rooms and maximize profits.
You'll just use the same steps that I described earlier. Go back into Google News, and this time we'll pick the technology category and we'll look for articles in the artificial intelligence subcategory. For example, I'm gonna pick this one right here. To reconstruct the article, we'll use ChatGPT like before and utilize the prompt I gave you earlier. Don't worry, I'll leave the prompt in the description so you don't have to type it all out. Once we have our reconstructed article, we want to ensure it passes AI detectors and reads flawlessly. That's why we'll run it through spinbot.com like we did earlier to give it that extra push and make it truly exceptional. Next, you can submit your exceptional article to this email that I will leave in the description below. Now, it's time to introduce the third website that will blow your mind. AARP.org is not only a trusted source of information, but also a platform that values your skills and pays an impressive $2 per word. Just imagine, with a 700-word article, you can easily make $1,400. That's financial freedom knocking at your door. Just like before, we want to make sure our submission process is smooth and professional. In the description below, you'll find an email template that I specifically designed for AARP.org. Use it to submit your masterpiece to this email, which I will leave in the description, and take a step closer to earning massively. Now, here's the golden tip for maximizing your earnings. Send your articles to all 3 websites we've mentioned: eatingwell.com, Popular Science, and AARP.org. By casting a wide net, you not only increase your chances of getting your work published, but also making a substantial income. Remember, I'm here to support you every step of the way. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to subscribe and comment down below. I'll make sure to reply to every comment, ensuring no one is left out of this amazing opportunity. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.